rules. Just would like to explain them quick. Adam will record all the sessions, and the recordings will be made available to you guys through the Academy SharePoint. So those who missed today, they will have to watch it, and we'll check on that before the exam. We'll have one break in the next 3 hours, so about halftime there will be a break. Please turn off your mobile phones or put them to silent. Don't answer phone calls during the training. Try not to do emails and all this kind of stuff. We appreciate if you could keep your your camera on, but mute your microphone so we can see who is there and if there is anything. If you have any issues, any questions or so, use the raise hand symbol. So somewhere there on your screen, you can raise your hand, or use the chat of the meeting to type in your question. Adam and I will monitor that and will highlight to Steve and Ivan if there is something to stop, and we'll address your questions or comments. So you don't have to wait until the end. The agenda, so today is the welcome, then an introduction to VSoL. We show you some VSoL videos, then we talk a bit about design, soil specs and drainage, and a first part on panel casting. Then day 2 this week will be the construction sequence with partial height panels, full height panels, and welded wire mesh facing. And then day 3 will be more on testing, maintenance, construction issues, but also how to repair VSoL walls, and project management, quality, health, and safety. And day 4 is planned as an interactive session. So here we would like to have some input from you guys. If you have ideas, or if you would like to show your project and you have a problem on it, or so you want to ask about this, we would like to have the 4th day as an interactive session for Q&A, open discussion on where we should do improvements. What do you think about the system, how it works for you if you're already working with it, or do you have additional questions that were not answered in the first 3 days? So take your notes, and if you want to present a short 5-10 minutes presentation of a project, then we can do that as well. Let me know about this, send me an email on it. Also, the questions that you have, just send us as an email in the chat. So as I said, it's 3 sessions presentations plus 1 session interactive. You have to attend all 4 of them. There will be an exam at the end, an online test where you have 70% passing rate for a certificate of competence. If you're below, you get an attendance certificate, and all the material will be available through the Academy SharePoint. We asked beforehand if you want to receive a hard copy of the field manual. Those who have said yes, Adam will send them out. We give them out free, but you need to pay for the shipping. So quick, the 3 main speakers are Juan Lima. He is in the technical center in Spain, and he supports the design in sort of the Western world. He has been working with the VSoL for years now. Then we have Steve Mills, who is in Australia, also looking in VSoL now for years. And there's also a design excellence center, if you want to call it that way, in Australia, who knows how to do design. And we have the academic side here, Ivan, who is working for VSoL, but is also a researcher at the university in Spain, and is also representing VSoL in a number of committees. Aside from that, we will have someone from safety. I think it's, who is from safety, Adam? Jaime will be presenting the safety, and repair, I think, will be, who's doing the repair? Jeremy, or I think someone. Okay. Quick intro to safety before we start. Those who are here, quick, tell me what are the basic requirements, basic PPE requirements that we have. Quick, open your microphone and just blur it out.
Helmet with chin strap.
Helmet with chin strap, yeah. What else? Oh, Christian.
Safety boot.
Safety boot, yes, important. It's a boot, not shoes, and you need to have a toe cap and midsole protection. What else?
Safety glasses.
Yeah, spectacles. So these are safety spectacles and not prescription spectacles. What else?
Uniform,
Gloves,
reflective vest.
Yeah, and then we have here these things. Okay, ear protection and either a high visibility vest or wear a uniform long sleeve that has the high visibility built in. And the gloves should be level 4 gloves with the Euronorm ISO sign on it. Help us with safety. We have the 12 health and safety basics. I think they should be all known now. There's one change to it since the beginning of the year, and that is what? Anybody knows? We have 5 of them as major risks.
Major risks.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 5 of them have been identified as major risks, and I think most of them apply to VSoL as well. First one is lifting. We do lift the panels all over the place, and we did have in the last 2 years a number of incidents with dropping of panels. So lifting is an important major risk for VSoL. You may work close to other roads and so on, and you work with heavy equipment. You have cranes, you have equipment that dumps soil and so on. So you have interaction between construction equipment and people. Fall from height, yes. In the last year, we talked a lot about fall protection at the top of the wall when we're building it. On the higher walls, it is a serious risk as well. Energies, maybe a bit less. We don't have a lot of jacks going on other things, but still a possibility there. And stability, of course, we have had incidents with unstable loads on transporters and so on. So also something we want to be aware of in VSoL. And to help us with it, we have the Vigilance app. I hope everybody of you has it. What's the target for this year? What's the index target for this year?
350.
350, yes, still the same. So we are working now not anymore on numbers. We're working now on quality, better reporting. There is a dashboard on Power BI. You can search it, where you can look at the performance of your site and of your PC.